2 true HEPA filter air filters. Which one's my fave? This 4 Seasons air purifier is also a heater, a humidifier, and a fan. The filter at the back is super easy to get to change, to clean up. I love how this can be used all 4 seasons. You can use it to cool things down, heat things up, and you can even turn up the heater or turn it down. Whichever mode you choose, it's going to make your life a lot easier. And when the indicator light tells you to refill the water, check it out. Easy peasy. Once refilled, the indicator light goes out and you're ready to use this all 4 seasons and help to clean out all those allergens in the air. And the easy peasy carrying handle makes it very portable, and even though the fan is very strong, it is not very loud. Now check out the Afloa air filter. That's all it is. It has no heater, but don't let that fool you. This thing is so cool. You can change the modes. You can put it to auto, medium, high. You could even set a timer for it to shut off automatically. The adjustments here even include the light. You can turn the light on and off. And I love the light because it tells you if the air in your room is clear, so it's blue. But if it's changing colors like yellow or red, it's time to check it out. Change the filter. Maybe there's something burning or it's quite dusty all of a sudden. So it's a little bit of a warning system too, and I just love it. And changing the filter, again, super easy. You take down the back and you just slide out the air filter and you can clean it, change it, super easy to clean and put back together again. And don't let all that work that it does, the smart air filter, scare you off for the weight, because it's super easy to carry with this handle. So it's portable, and even though the fan works great, it's not very loud. So whether it's a Afloa or 4 Seasons, which one are you going to choose? I love using both all year round.